Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, July 19th, and I'm going to be analyzing US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the dollar yen, it definitely does look like it's in a wave 5, and it may actually even end up being a wave 5 of wave 5. Definitely looks like 1, 2, 3, and then it looks like a 4, and then it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 5. So, we may have already ended the wave 5 of 5. We'll have to keep a close eye on it. Going down to the weekly time frame, we really don't actually have any breaker structure to the downside yet. So we still can't even really prove that this move up is over. And honestly, it definitely could continue back up very easily. The trend is definitely still up on all the higher roadmap time frames. Going down to the daily time frame, I'm definitely keeping an eye on my structure. To me, this move down looks more like a trend now, which makes me think that it's either a wave A or a wave 1. But if it does go up and break structure to the upside, then I definitely would stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again. Because of how the structure is playing out in this daily time frame, I am actually still looking for shorts on the shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, our last structure level is way up here, so if I do see an opportunity to go short, I definitely will take it. I'm actually only looking for shorts right now unless price goes up and breaks this structure. If it does go up and break that structure, then I'll stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, definitely looks like an uptrend for sure. Makes you think that it's either a wave A or a wave 1. You would think that now it would make a correction to the move up, either a wave B or wave 2. Sometimes what you think is a wave B or wave 2 actually just keeps on trending down, so just be aware that the trend is down on the daily time frame, and it possibly could just keep on drifting down. Seems like it would be more likely if it's going to follow an Elliot wave pattern to actually go up and either make a wave C or a wave 3 once it's complete with this wave B or the wave 2. And if you know anything about Fibonacci levels and price action, then you'll definitely be able to tell the difference between a wave C and a wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.